is to diversify your network and to do it quickly. So your homework assignment is literally tomorrow morning. Don't wait. Schedule a Zoom or a chat session, either virtually or in person if you choose, with someone that is at least 1 degree of separation from you. So if you happen to be male, then you're going to seek out someone who is female. If you're female, let's say you're African-American female like myself, then you're going to search out someone who might be of Asian descent and just have a conversation. Ask them how they joined the company, what it is that they like about their team or their role, and share your personal exploratory story as well. Something personal about you, maybe how you got through the pandemic. If you have kids at home, did you virtual homeschool? Are you still virtual schooling? All of that is to start to build a connection. You might be thinking, Angel, why are you asking me to do this? I mean, why is diversifying my network so important? And by the way, what's the urgency? I mean, really, do I have to do this tomorrow? The answer is yes. The antidote to apathy is empathy. So I propose that the best, easiest, and fastest way to gain empathy is to invite someone that's a different race, gender, ethnicity, religion, maybe even different work perspective into your personal network so that you can learn to grow with them. And as you grow with them, you develop empathy, which is the bedrock for inclusion.